In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download purchase invoices from eBay. Whether you need invoices for bookkeeping, reimbursements, or tax records, this short walkthrough will show you exactly where to find them and how to save a clean copy for your files. Start on the e-commerce site's homepage. Move your cursor to the top right area and hover over the My eBay menu. Don't click yet. Just pause your mouse to open the dropdown. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in first. On phones and tablets, this menu can be tucked behind an icon, so if you don't see My eBay right away, switch to Desktop View or expand the site menu to reveal it. From that menu, select Purchase History. This takes you to a timeline of everything you've bought. Here, you can change the date range to find older orders and use the search box to quickly locate a specific item. Once you see the order you need, look for the link that opens the full breakdown of that purchase. Open the order by clicking View Order Details. This page shows key information like the item, price, taxes, shipping, payment method, and delivery details. It's your central hub for everything tied to that transaction. To get a properly formatted invoice, look for the option labeled Printer Friendly page. Click it, and the layout will switch to a clean, print-ready format that removes extra page elements and organizes the details like an invoice. At this point, you're looking at your invoice. Review the information to make sure the item description, quantities, subtotal, shipping, and taxes are correct. If you need to download it, use your browser's print dialog and choose Save as PDF as the destination. Adjust orientation if needed so everything fits on the page, and check the print preview to confirm no lines are cut off. Give the file a clear name, something like the purchase date and order reference, so you can find it easily later. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Each order generates its own invoice, so repeat this process for multiple purchases. If you manage expenses monthly, consider setting a reminder to visit Purchase History at the end of each month and save all relevant invoices in one batch. And if any detail looks off, return to the Order Details page to verify shipping and tax entries before you save. That's it. By hovering on My eBay, opening Purchase History, viewing the order details, switching to the printer-friendly page, and reviewing the invoice, you'll have a clean, downloadable record ready for your files.